Question 4. How many sets of 5 paintings can a museum curator choose from a collection of 8 paintings? So this is a question that's the topic is called a topic called the pigeonhole principle. It takes me, personally, I don't like these questions very much. It makes my brain ache. Let me give you an idea of what we're looking at here. So I've got 5 spaces. I've got 5 possible paintings that I could choose. They can be in any order, and that's what makes this one particularly tricky. If we think about it, if we just look at one space, we've got 8 paintings that could go there, so we've got a choice of 8. But if we take one away to put here, we then, for the second choice, we only have a choice of 7, then 6, then 5, then 4. So by the time we get here, we have the number that we need. So the number that we could possibly have number of options. Now we can write this factorial. If I said 3 factorial, 3 factorial actually means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. If I said 8 factorial, that's 8 multiplied by 7. I need 87654, and therefore I can take 8 and I can divide by 3, because 321 here takes away those 321, and I'm left with the calculation that I need up there. However, these can be in any order. This would be correct if it was the first painting can only be there and the second painting that can only be there. But in reality, we could choose painting A and painting B to be here, here, or the opposite way around. And we've actually included that in this calculation. So what we have to do, we also have to divide from this, the number of spaces, the number of permutations, and that's 5. So when you put this, when you work this out, what this comes down to is that we are looking at 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. And that then 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is 6. So therefore it becomes 8 multiplied by 7. 6 cancels out to 1 on both top, so the answer is 56. Tricky, as I say, pigeonhole principle. If you want to Google it, I find this complicated to get my head around. You may not. You may find it a lot simpler. I hope you do.